Hello everyone, good afternoon. Sunny out finally. It's been cloudy and cold the last couple of days up here in Michigan. Upper Michigan, that is. So yeah, sitting out here in my dining room where I've been for a few of my video filmings lately. It's a nice work surface, better than sitting on my couch. So anyway, I've already done one out of the sample pack I got from someone on eBay, and now I'm going to be trying this. It's called the Zimbabwe Bird Pepper. I'm intrigued to try this one. It looks similar to like a Chilitepin or a mini cherry pepper. So we'll see it. I'm going to cut it open here, borrow a little strategy I learned from Bagel Storm, in which he usually cuts his peppers open and shows a cross section of it and usually just nibbles half of it slowly. I'm going to borrow part of that strategy. I'm going to cut it open because I don't have very many of these peppers and I want to save the seeds to optimize my seed collection. So I took let's see here. Okay, it's kind of really glaring from my perspective here, tilting my laptop down, so I'm just going to cut it open and no gloves, but that's okay. Oh wow, lots of seeds in that one. Good. I want lots of seeds. I've noticed a lot of these bird type peppers do have a lot of seeds. Just fine by me. Damn, I didn't realize there could be so many seeds inside a pepper this small. I mean, I know seeds are usually tiny anyway, but shit. Harvesting every one of these bad boys out of here. Smells, oh, interesting. My guess is an Annuum variety based on the smell. Two more, three more hiding in here. Okay, there's a piece of placental tissue. I want to put it back in here. Don't want to skip out on the burn. Okay, so now that that's over at the 4-minute mark here, pardon me, Zimbabwe Bird Pepper. As you can see, there's a hell of a lot of seeds in that. I'm going to count them in a minute here. It looks to me like 50 or 60 seeds. Damn. Okay. Annuum, little tangy, not really sweet. faint bitterness. Similar to a cherry bomb pepper. Perfume-like, maybe? I'm drooling a bit. There's about 70 seeds. Burn. Top of my tongue and tip of my tongue feels snakebite, Indian burn type sensation. I'm gonna line right down the center of my tongue, under the tip. A little bit of glow happening right in the middle of my chest. This one, excuse me, a little sting in my throat when I swallow. Faintly stinging of a burn from my mouth. It got hit a little bit. And picking up a teeny bit on the tip of my tongue now. Mainly feel right here. Yeah, not really much happening, so. Alright. In conclusion, faint little glow on my lips here. I'd put it at heat. Banana pepper, jalapeno, somewhere in that low range. Tip of my tongue on top, like I said, right down the middle. Down most of the middle. Like a stripe of heat. Yeah. Okay. Not really feeling warmth in the face at all or sweating. Pretty good level heat for the size of them especially, but not. Yeah, I might maybe put a little bit hotter than jalapeno. Not really much. Faint glow on certain parts of my lips, but not much happening. Lots of drool with this one. Not too bad of a flavor. Would be good in a stir fry to kick it up just a little bit without adding an extraordinary amount of flavor. Definitely not as flavorful as any of the habanero or nagas. I really emphasize this again. Lots of drool on this one, and back of my tongue now starting to be more dominant than the center or the tip. Although those are still there too. And the roof of my mouth a little bit more. Right down and way in the bottom of my throat here, like right here, I can feel a little bit of a pinprick of stinging. Settled down, but it's still a little bit there with the chest. It's settled down into my stomach at this point. So yeah, Zimbabwe Bird Pepper, not too bad. Definitely an Annuum from the taste and the texture. Skin was a little bit thick. Flesh was not all that moist. I would definitely say bird pepper, and with the number of seeds I got out of this, I did a quick flash count while I was sitting there. That's when I was just staring down. It looks to me like about 70 seeds. So yeah. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. Zimbabwe Bird Pepper. Up next we're going to have... I won't tell ya. See ya.